This is a chronicle of my personal experience exploring the underground car scenes of Japan. Follow my journey and discover the rich culture and history of street racing, drifting, and everything in between, here in the land of the rising sun. This is The Hunters. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. I just wanted to show you guys a little present that came in the mail today. I've got this box beside me. You probably already know what this is because it's probably pretty self-evident. So this is the Silver Award, and it's pretty big, and it's heavier than I thought it would be. Let's pop it open. Oh guys, I'm just feeling so many things right now. It's pretty crazy. Like, this is the culmination of a lot of effort, a lot of working really hard. Sometimes I thought that this day would never come. Okay guys, this is it. Hey Niku-chan, what is it? I'll introduce you guys to my dog too. This is a good opportunity. This is Niku-chan. Hello. Look, cutie. Isn't she adorable? She's the official mascot of Drift Hunter and the Hunters. Look, this is Niku-chan and a little roadster. So shout out to this company called Auto Plushies for sending me this. Okay guys, as you can tell, I'm stalling. I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. Are you ready to open it up? Okay, here we go. You guys get to see it before me, okay? Dun 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 dun. Oh, okay. One more time. Dun 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 dun. Wow, oh my gosh. It's a crazy unboxing. Oh wow. Okay, here we go. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Literally just says Rick there. Just Rick. Thank you, Rick. I have a letter from Susan, the CEO of YouTube. Should I read that to you guys? Okay, here we go. YouTube, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. 1 million subscribers may seem like a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Okay. Oh my gosh. Well, there it is, guys. Oh man. This is crazy. Guys, this is it. Wow. I feel like I should just kind of like leave it in this protective packaging. And actually, if you notice, this little spot right here has been reserved for this bad boy. Woo! Wow. Here, presented to Drift Hunter Albo for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is like, metal, and it's cool because there's like this reflective. There's a mirror in it. The YouTube logo is kind of inset. Wow. 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 This is a pretty cool moment, guys, and I'm really happy to be able to share it with you. For you guys who are supporting this channel from thousands, tens of thousands of kilometers away. I always get messages from people in like South Africa, South America, Eastern Europe, Russia, the far flung regions, places I didn't even think that they had internet. To know that you guys are watching this series, it honestly means a lot. As you know, my goal with the channel is not just to reach 1 million subscribers, be a super big YouTuber. I want to produce stuff for TV, for movies. I want to be a film director, a producer. I have all these ideas. I feel like this culture, this world that I've been privileged enough to be part of. There's so many amazing stories, so many beautiful people, such a deep, amazing worldwide culture. Like all of us, we really love not just cars, but the culture. Thank you guys so much for all the comments and all the messages, and thank you especially to my patrons who directly support this project. You guys have no idea how much it's meant to me. There have been a lot of times where I felt like I didn't think I'd be able to take this project to the next level, if I could continue it, if it was worth it. But I'm so glad I stuck to it, and now that I've been able to reach this milestone thanks to you guys, I want this award to hopefully inspire some of you guys. If you have a dream and you have a big goal and you think it's gonna take a while, but you really like that's what you want to do with your life. You got to go for it, because you never know what's gonna happen if you just keep going and you don't give up. Right when you feel like giving up, the next day is when everything begins to change. And I've personally had that happen in my own life. So I want that for you guys as well. If I'm able to achieve, like a milestone like this, I absolutely am sure that each and every one of you guys who are watching this can as well. And I'm doing this for you guys, and I hope you guys know how much I love you guys. You guys are the best fans. I read every single comment. You guys are the most supportive fans that a YouTuber could ever ask for. So I couldn't thank you enough. And of course, thank you so much for picking up merch, which really helps to support the site. Thank you for picking up the t-shirts at the storefront right here. If you use this code word over here, you get 10% off. A lot of people have been asking me for, is there like a way they could support? People are always saying like, oh, I wish I could buy you a coffee or buy you a drink whenever I'm in Japan or something. There's a link I made right here. It's a coffee link, and you can like buy me a coffee or whatever. So let's put this over here and have a good look at it. Look at that. That's crazy. That's awesome. Once again, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this really personal video. As you can tell, I'm super excited. And this is a big deal for me. This is a big deal for us, for all you guys, because you guys are part of this channel as well. So thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Since I moved to Tokyo, I've been exploring the underground car scene here more and more. While in Gunma, people race and drift 90s sports cars on the mountain roads, in Tokyo, the lack of toge and the high cost of living gave rise to a different type of street racing subculture. Racing on the Wangansen and Shitoko, the inner city highways of Tokyo.